Okay, so this is coming from my house down Chantilly going towards TC Jester. There's water obviously standing right here, but I can't tell. I guess it's standing all the way to TC Jester. I'm just not 100% sure, but it looks that way. Okay. Okay, I'm on Glebe now. I just came off of Glebe from Cheshire, and it was totally okay. Here's Hewitt. Okay, coming up on Libby. Let's see. Let's go check on my friend's house down here in the corner. Oh boy. Amanda, I think that might be your neighbor's or your renter's maybe minivan in the driveway way down there. Huh. That's as far as I can get, girl. I'm sorry. Oh, he has his kitty cat. Oh. Okay, I'm coming back down. Holy shit, I can't even see. Coming back down Glebe now. I'm going back towards my house on Chantilly. I'm just curious to see how deep that intersection was at Chantilly. Don't worry, I'm not going to test it by driving through it. But from what I can tell, I know it's hard to see through this rain. It looks like the water is, I couldn't even get to Saxon. I can see the fire hydrant up there. You can't even see the fire hydrant through all the rain, but the fire hydrant is on the right, and it looks like it's probably about halfway up the fire hydrant. Okay, be back. TC Jester Park. Actually, I mean, I can drive through the intersection, but yeah, the bayou's out for sure. Woo. Got it over there. So it's flooded down here at Mangum. I'm gonna loop around. Sidewalks for running, all of that's completely underwater. Can't get to the first street, flooded. Oops, sorry people, I don't want to splash you. Okay, I'm at Roslyn and 43rd right now. All four directions look okay. Turning down Roslyn now to go towards 34th. All the side streets look fine. Ditches look good. They're running, draining, but probably not going to be doing that for a whole lot longer because they obviously go towards the bayou. So, all right, peeps, and back.